all that remains to attach for Gnathan are his arms and the tassel. So let's do the arms. Obviously we're going to need a yarn needle, and we're going to put the yarn left on. And these ones are nice and simple. I just want to place them up here, right at that intersection of the brim and the beard line. I-cord tends to curl a little bit, so I always make sure that I'm facing that forwards. I go through the whole arm and then just grab a loop or two from the body. I go through it at least 3 times. If it will be a toy, I go through 3 times in this direction, and then again 3 times in this direction, and then I will lift the arm up and I will anchor it from there to there, because kids tend to carry gnomes and other stuffed animals by their arms, and so I want to attach it in multiple points in multiple directions. All right, so that's looking pretty good there. To finish this off, what I like to do is go through the arm, come here, and then I go through it, creating a loop. I'll go through that loop twice. I left my end a little short and it just keeps popping out of my yarn needle here. All right, we'll go through that to make a knot once. And if you're getting really short, a little tip, you can sometimes use the end instead of going with the tip. There's 2. All right, now all I want to do is make that end disappear, which I can do either up through the I-cord or down through the body. I'm just going to use the I-cord. We'll go up out here where it's still the same color. Pull it taut, snip fairly close, and it will vanish away inside. And that's how we attach the arms. I hope this tutorial helps. Happy knitting, and thank you for joining me in the mystery knit along. Or if you're discovering this pattern afterwards, thanks for making a Gnathan. Happy gnoming.